How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can assign and configure IP address in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, to make this video easy to understand, I'm going to add one router, one switch, and two devices. And basically from here, the first thing that you want to do is to just connect all of your devices together. So let's start with our computer. Let's use the fast Ethernet 0. And of course, for the second one, let's use the fast Ethernet 2. And then for the router itself, we are going to use it to connect with our gigabit 00. And now to adjust this accordingly, navigate through the router itself. And then of course, you want to set your own IP address. So for this example, we have 192.168.0.1. You could just apply the same IP address for the devices below it. So with this one, let's use something like 0.1.2. And for this last one, let's use 0.1.3, or I mean 0.0.3. Let's send or ping each other's devices. As you can see, it said successful. And so that's how easy it is to assign and configure IP address in Cisco Packet Tracer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.